Welcome to Microbe World, where we dive deep into the microscopic universe that lives and thrives inside your amazing body. Today, we have reached the literal end of the line, exploring a topic that many people are too afraid to discuss. Do not look away in disgust, because in science, this waste product is actually a detailed diary of your internal health. Think of it as a daily report card from your gut kingdom, telling you exactly how your inner citizens are doing. This video contains shocking truths that will make you laugh out loud while nodding in agreement with the wisdom of biology. Let us start by breaking down the composition, because contrary to popular belief, it is not just the leftovers of food. Many believe that waste is simply solid leftovers, but surprisingly, 75% of this matter is actually just pure water. This high water content is absolutely essential to ensure the train moves smoothly through your system without getting stuck anywhere. The remaining 25% is solid matter. And this is where things get incredibly interesting for our scientific investigation today. About 1/3 of this solid matter consists of bacteria, both those that are still alive and those that have passed. These are the bodies of hard-working cellular workers who died in the line of duty or were pushed out for others. Another third is composed of indigestible plant fiber, the tough stuff that your stomach acid simply could not break down completely. Fiber acts as a bulking agent, passing through relatively unchanged because your body lacks the specific enzymes to dismantle it. The final third is a mix of fats, inorganic salts, dead cells from your gut lining, and various waste pigments. Now we must answer the colorful question: why does it almost always have that specific shade of brown every single time? The legendary brown color comes from bilirubin, a byproduct of old red blood cells breaking down within your complex system. When this substance reaches the intestine, your gut bacteria get to work, chemically transforming it into a compound called stercobilin. It is this stercobilin that acts as the pigment, painting the final product with that characteristic brown hue we all recognize. However, if you ever notice a sudden change to colors like red, black, or pale white, pay very close attention. That is your internal diary sounding an alarm, indicating that you should probably visit a doctor to check your health. Now, let us tackle the elephant in the room. Why does it have such a potent and often unpleasant smell? This odor is actually the artistic masterpiece of the bacteria living and working tirelessly inside your large intestine every day. When these bacteria consume protein compounds containing sulfur, they release gases like skatol and indole, creating that distinct olfactory experience. Hydrogen sulfide is another major contributor, adding those sulfurous notes that force everyone to cover their noses in the bathroom. Scientists have actually developed a formal ranking system called the Bristol Stool Scale to help assess your digestive health accurately. Type 1 appears as separate hard lumps, similar to nuts, which indicates that your bacteria are severely lacking necessary water. This shape suggests that the train has been stuck in the tunnel for too long, drying out before arrival. If you see a smooth, sausage-like shape, congratulations are in order, because your microbiome is extremely happy and functioning perfectly. This indicates optimal hydration and transit time, showing that your body is absorbing nutrients while eliminating waste efficiently and comfortably. On the other end, we have the liquid form, which means a flood has swept through your system too quickly. The bacteria did not have time to work, and your body did not have a chance to absorb the water. Now, prepare yourself for a goosebump-inducing fact about the cutting edge of modern medicine: fecal microbiota transplant, or FMT. Sometimes, a person's gut ecosystem is completely devastated by bad bacteria, leaving their internal kingdom in a state of ruin. In these cases, doctors extract material from a healthy donor to introduce a powerful army of beneficial bacteria into the patient. The goal is to reestablish order in the kingdom, using the healthy bacteria to fight off invaders and heal the land. The results have been incredibly positive for many severe cases, proving that this matter is truly a life-saving medical resource. So do not look at this final product with judgment or disgust. but rather with a newfound scientific appreciation. It is the proof of a hard day's work by trillions of citizens living inside you, keeping you alive and healthy. Remember to eat plenty of vegetables and drink enough water to ensure their journey is always a smooth and happy one. Treat your gut well, and it will reward you with good health, high energy, and a perfectly functioning internal system. Your large intestine is essentially a dense rainforest of biodiversity, and every species there plays a vital role in your survival. Beyond just processing waste, these little guys are synthesizing vitamins and training your immune system to fight off real threats. This connection is so strong that scientists often refer to your gut as your second brain, influencing your mood daily. A healthy gut often leads to a happy mind, proving that caring for your digestion is caring for your mental health. Including fermented foods in your diet is like sending reinforcements to your internal army, helping them maintain peace and order. A strong microbiome creates a formidable shield, preventing harmful pathogens from taking root and causing illness in your body. Be careful with antibiotics. While they save lives, they can also wipe out your good bacteria like a nuclear blast. If you must take them, always remember to rebuild your city afterwards with probiotics and plenty of healthy prebiotic fiber. Hydration acts as the cleaning crew, ensuring that nothing lingers too long and that toxins are flushed out promptly. Physical movement of your body also stimulates the physical movement of your gut, keeping the traffic flowing on schedule. Establishing a regular routine helps train your body and bacteria, making the entire process predictable and stress-free for you. Even your posture matters. Biological mechanics favor a squatting position to straighten the exit path for a smoother departure. Your body has sophisticated control mechanisms that distinguish gas from solid, a remarkable feat of sensory engineering we take for granted. When the holding tank is full, it sends a signal to your brain, politely requesting permission to initiate the evacuation. Ignoring this signal allows the colon to reabsorb water, turning soft matter into hard stones that are painful to pass. So the golden rule of gut health is simple. When your body speaks to you, you should always listen immediately. Interestingly, a baby's microbiome is a blank slate that develops rapidly, influenced by birth method and their very first meals. As we grow and eat diverse foods, our internal ecosystem becomes a complex jungle, unique to every single individual. Your gut microbiome is actually as unique as your fingerprint. No two people share exactly the same bacterial composition. In the future, analyzing this waste could become a standard, non-invasive way to detect serious diseases years in advance. Archaeologists even study fossilized feces, called coprolites, to understand the diet and health of humans from thousands of years ago. It serves as a time capsule, preserving DNA and dietary secrets that would otherwise be lost to the sands of history. Modern sanitation and the ability to safely dispose of this waste is one of the greatest achievements of human civilization. Proper disposal prevents the spread of deadly diseases like cholera, saving millions of lives around the globe every single year. Science is even finding ways to turn this waste into energy or fertilizer, closing the loop of nature's cycle. It is a reminder that, in nature, there is no true waste. Everything is a resource waiting to be reused. So today we have learned about the water content, the chemical colors, the bacterial smells, and the shapes of health. Next time you visit the porcelain throne, take a brief moment to observe what your body is trying to tell you. Your body is an incredibly complex machine, and every output is a data point, helping you maintain it properly. Share this video to help break the stigma and spread important health knowledge that everyone needs but is afraid to ask. Join our growing community of curious minds who are not afraid to look at the messy side of biology. What other bodily mysteries should we explore next? Sweat? Earwax? Let us know in the comments below right now. We owe a huge debt of gratitude to the scientists who study these unglamorous topics to keep us all healthy. Thank you for joining us on this strange, smelly, but incredibly fascinating journey through the digestive system's final frontier. If you enjoyed this deep dive, please hit the like button and subscribe to support our mission of science education. Don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss another episode exploring the microscopic wonders of your world. Stay curious, stay healthy, and remember that even the smallest things can tell the biggest stories about your life. This video was researched and produced with care to bring you accurate and engaging scientific information you can trust. Check out these other videos to continue your journey into the unseen universe that exists right under your nose. We appreciate your time and attention today. Science is everywhere, and we are here to help you see it. Until next time, keep asking questions and keep exploring the amazing microbe world that we all call home. This has been a Microbe World production. Thank you for watching, and have a wonderful, healthy day ahead. Microbe World, exploring the unseen. Goodbye for now.